Hold on. Good morning, you guys. You're watching my real life vlogs. And there's Ann. She's on the Mommy Express headed downstairs. Today's video, by the way, is sponsored by H&R Block. Off you go, Ann. If you're anything like me, you have not left the house in days. I have not done much of anything outside of the parameters of my home, but you still gotta file your taxes. And I think it's great that H&R Block provides the easiest way for people to be able to file their taxes without having to step foot out of their homes. I know if you guys are anything like me, you would rather a person do your taxes rather than DIYing it online. And if you are like that, this is the perfect service for you. H&R Block offers something called Tax Pro Go, where essentially you just upload your tax forms to a secure website and an actual state certified pro will do your taxes for you. It's super easy. You can even do it on mobile. Basically a virtual tax prep solution for folks who just want to get it done in the easiest way possible. You can even communicate with your tax pro if you have like questions or if you want to just touch base through secure messaging. You can call. The pricing is right up front, so there's no surprises later, and you can get it all done in 3 easy steps. First step is just to lock in your price. The second step is to upload your documents, and the third step is to review and settle your taxes. Usually when the tax pro receives your tax documents, it takes them up to 5 days to do it, which is actually a pretty quick turnaround. And I think this Tax Pro Go offering from H&R Block is super important, especially this day and age right now in this time that we're living in, but also really good for people who just don't have the time. Maybe you're super busy. Maybe you have a kid running around the house screaming and throwing toys. This is just a very easy sort of solution for extremely busy people. I just find it super comforting knowing that while I'm around my house getting things done, taking care of my family, my taxes are being taken care of. So that's one less thing that I have to worry about. And I know a lot of you guys just don't want to leave your houses right now. So if you are one of those people, but you also still need to get your taxes done, I would highly recommend the H&R Block Tax Pro Go service. I got my taxes done and I'm feeling super good and super responsible about everything. So if you guys are interested in trying out this service, definitely click the link in my description box to get started. And if you've already done your taxes, you go girl. So yeah, a really laid back day, you guys. I started off the day just like cleaning up my house a little bit, getting my kitchen together because I am going to be cooking a kind of moderately sized dinner tonight. My husband was in the mood for some soul food, so a pot of greens and mac and cheese and all that stuff. Plus my sister is coming in town tonight. But yeah, I just wanted to make sure my house was clean and everything. That's how I like to start my day. I kind of have a little bit of cabin fever, you guys. I ain't gonna lie. Like most YouTubers, I'm kind of an introvert too. I mean, I'm sure that's no surprise to you guys. Like I know how to fake it. I know how to pretend like I like being around people. And I do know that social interaction is necessary, so I do like fight against it a lot and try and like be around people as much as I can. But I must say, with all of this social distancing that's going on, it's kind of giving me a little cabin fever, because at the very least I'm used to at least being able to leave my house and go have lunch somewhere or go shopping for random things for my house. I'm one of those people that kind of just likes to walk through the mall, go into a store and just see what's new. You know how people like to browse online? I like to browse in person a little bit because I like to touch and feel and ask questions. And so I haven't been able to do any of that. And it's definitely wearing on me because, you know, I just feel like I'm missing out on the things that I enjoy most. But there are ways to get past that. But yeah, it's really been tough. Just gave Ann her wash down. We took a little bath. She's watching her iPad. I need to do laundry. I haven't gotten to this just yet. Ann, are you chilling? You chilling, mommy? Got something in your hair. Yeah, I braided her hair the other day. Made it so much easier on us. I braided it while she was eating her breakfast and she didn't care. She let me do it pretty much. And it's been lasting and it's going to be great for not having to deal with her hair. Fall down, okay. iPad, crazy. So let me show y'all the finished product. It's almost 3:30 and dinner's done. All right, so I started off with some baked chicken leg quarters. We had a bunch of them frozen, so I'm like, let me just cook this stuff. Made some cornbread. This is my favorite. I love cornbread. And also I love greens, and I did make some greens. And then I decided to make a mac and cheese as well. Cooked it in my little Dutch oven. Once the chicken cools down a bit, I'm just gonna put my little lid on top so that it's nice and warm for when Anthony gets home. workout. I'm whispering because Alex is here and she's got a conference call going on. But pretty good day so far. I'm cooking Ann some pizza because it's now lunchtime. In the meantime, she has an appetizer of oyster crackers. My favorite. I love oyster crackers, Mommy. Sit down. Sit down. Don't get up. Stay seated. Pizza's coming right up. This is what Californians do. They wear tie-dye t-shirts and dye their dogs. Sophie says she's a rock star. Hey, Sophie. Hey, baby. She really dyed her pink in the bathtub. Not here, but, you know, Illinois ain't having it. This is some California type stuff right here.
Everyone loved it coming through the airport.
I'm sure. And then look at her little dog carrier, okay? We can't ignore that. And she's so content in that thing. Did you go through the airport with her in that thing?
No, but I think I will on the way back. Just because I need my hands freed up, you know.
It's cute. It's hella people outside taking walks. We need to go out and take a walk. Let's take a walk. Oh, it is windy today, honey. The wind blew the tarp off the furniture. Also, the girl cover, but Anthony put that back already. We're about to go for a walk through the neighborhood and come here. You got your apple? We had lunch a little bit ago, kind of a late lunch. We've been just kind of watching television and sipping on some wine and that sort of thing. By the time you guys see this vlog, we are knee deep in the shelter-in-place lockdown enforcements. So I actually have not been out of the house much. This vlog is my first time actually being out of the house to do anything. I haven't been walking the dog. Anthony's been doing that. I haven't been going to the grocery store or anything. So I was really excited to just get some fresh air and just to kind of see other people. Never thought I would feel this way, but I do. So today we're just going to take a quick walk through the neighborhood, walk the dog, let Ann get some fresh air because she hasn't been outside in about 2 weeks. We did go out to get the mail the other day and grab some packages and stuff, and so we pretty much just went as far as the driveway. So I do want to take her on a little walk through the neighborhood. We need it. We need it. Looking out the window. You want to go outside, Mommy? We had a really, really bad storm last night. It was so bad, I thought it was going to rip through the windows. Come on, let's get you suited. Let's go get your socks and everything. Come on. Let's go upstairs. You're kicking Mama Shark? You can't kick Mama Shark. Come on. Y'all, whenever I say the word can't to Ann, when I'm speaking to her, I always use this out of nowhere British accent. I don't know why, but every time I say like you can't do this, you can't do that, I always say you can't. I don't know why. I don't know if you guys noticed that. It's kind of like our little thing. Let's put on your socks, Mommy. Y'all, Ann's room is kind of a disaster lately. I mean, I just have not been able to keep it clean in no shape or form. I can't keep her bed made. I can't keep her laundry done. I can't keep her toys off the floor. I just can't. So my only resolution is just to hurry up and get her playroom done as quickly as we can so I can just shut the door on that thing and I don't have to worry about it and it won't be in her area where she sleeps. That's the only thing I can promise at this point because this is just overwhelming and too hot to handle. Okay, let's get your socks on, Ann. Come on. Come on, you need socks, you need a sweater. Come on. No, sit down. Come on. You have to sit down. Sit down. Here, read your book while we do the socks. Here. Read your book. You ready? Put your arm. Go, go, go. Okay, now we have to zip it. See, look, we have to zip. Look, Mommy. Zip, zip, zip. Finish. Finish it. Zip. Yay. Okay, come on. Let's go downstairs. Yay. Come on. Yay. Mommy's got to put on some socks because these ain't really socks. My bed is not made. It's a mess. Okay, go in. Go in. This is one of Ann's favorite places in our closet. We do not know why, hun, because this is not really a pretty place, you know, for a kid. It's kind of dark. But she loves it in here. I don't know why. Why do you love it in here, Mommy? E-I-E-I-O. I think she likes that it's kind of a confined space, no windows. But she'll like close the door and then she'll run around the bench. Come on. Come on. Come on. Woo! Oh wait, first we gotta go to the potty. We gotta go to the potty first. Come on. We got a potty. Give me the apple. Give me the apple. I'll give it back, I promise. Next, mommy got a potty. Then we can go. Okay. Okay. Good girl. All right, you're all done. Okay, wash your hands. Wash those hands, mommy. Whoop. All right, now here we go. Here we go. Okay. Yay! All done. You see Ann? Somebody's happy to be outside. All right, we're walking to the park. Come on. Come on. Come on. You see the water, mommy? Ann is obsessed with it now. Oh, we're not gonna walk in the grass, it's a little bit wet. We don't wanna mess up mommy's gym shoes. Y'all call them sneakers, but I'm from Chicago, we call them gym shoes. We let Salsa run around the park freely.